right. So now here's part 3 of Luke, right? Because I know why they did it and how they like when they were like putting it together. It's not born of the virgin. Born of the virgin doesn't necessarily mean born of a woman who doesn't have sex. It could be born of the sign of the Virgo. Born of Virginia. Virginia is what it actually means because it's talking about Marie. But they went and they went to see the prophecy says Bethlehem Ephrath. Because if you read it, it goes, they went up to Bethlehem down to Judea. And the reason they make that mistake is because there's 2 Bethlehems. There's a Bethlehem north of Nazareth. That's how you know it. When you guys were plagiarizing it, you plagiarized it wrong. You're plagiarizing the prophecies. That's the proof right there. It's every Christmas is read. It's like they went up to Bethlehem down to Judea. Why would they go up to Bethlehem down to Judea? I would hear it all the time when I was growing up. I didn't think anything of it. I didn't know there was 2 Bethlehems. There's a Bethlehem north of Nazareth. So when they were looking at the map, or God tricked them, right? Or Satan was doing some stuff. They went up to Bethlehem. Why would they go up to Bethlehem? Because Bethlehem in Judea is south. They went up to Bethlehem down to Judea because there's 2 Bethlehems. That's the first problem. The second problem is it's not Bethlehem in the prophecy because it's the root of the stump of Jesse, Ruth. The stump of Jesse isn't David. That's forward. The stump of Jesse would be backwards. Ruth. The root. Ruth. The Moabites. The stump. The Moabites. What she came from. It's the Moabite line. That's where Moshiach, or wherever you guys say it, comes from. It wouldn't go forward. Jesus isn't the root of Jesse. David's not the root of Jesse. The root of Jesse would be Ruth. Bethlehem Ephrath is what it actually says in the prophecy. Born of Bethlehem Ephrath. Ruth is like in the first chapter, it's like the first chapter of Ruth. Bethlehem Ephrath is mentioned from the root of the stump of Jesse. Ruth. Bethlehem Ephrath. Not Bethlehem. And Bethlehem Ephrath isn't even in, it's outside of Bethlehem. It's talking about the Moabite line. Bethlehem Ephrath. But, like, that's the other part of it. I don't know. We're just in Luke.